the one.
Yeah. I don't know, we might be able to slip that out of there. Because we could probably move it to... I guess we'll just let the grease out.
Yeah, let's just push it out.
Yeah.
Here's the adjuster.
You already grabbed the 24mm?
Good?
Yeah, those came right off.
Yeah, the Milwaukee's pretty good. We just got the new 1-inch one with the anvil. It's like an air gun.
Yeah?
It's crazy.
That's cool.
There we go. It's easy enough. Well, that's our issue.
Yeah, seems to be the only one.
Why'd you ever do that time? Remember your Yanmar was having the issue where you got the new rollers for it, but they didn't have like tabs?
I returned them and got the right ones.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. Yeah, well, the reason I didn't order those first is because they were from China, and I was like, oh, that's going to take forever. I had them in like a couple days. Yeah. It was weird.
This is what the Kubota dealer sent me.
Yeah, these look good.
Yeah. I have to just... Yeah, it's a tight fit. You want a bar?
Oh, yeah?
In the afternoon, so they asked me to bring... I got this 1939 John Deere. It's pretty cool. It's a 2-cylinder.
Is it a tricycle?
Yeah.
Yeah.
I've never had a tricycle, so I wanted to get one.
Okay.
Else, or are you done for the season?
No, I'm looking at rock trucks. There's one coming up in an auction right now.
Yeah.
I was bidding on this other skidder, but someone outbid me.
You know what rock truck you'd like? It's the super narrow one. It's a Volvo. They're from like the 90s.
Yeah.
People like them because they're under width when you move it on a trailer, and it's narrower on the trails.
How many tons is it? Yeah, I don't need a huge one. No, some of them, like the 40-ton ones, look too big. I need like a...
No, what is it? That'd be cool if Cody and that dog have kids, and then you could get one.
Yeah, that's kind of the plan. I don't know if having 2 dogs would be a little crazy or not.
It is a little.
He's actually really good. So I mean, the biggest thing.
The oldest yellow is 6, and the new one they have is 9 months, and it's just like it's like a play date. It's like they're playing every single moment of the day, which is fun.
I mean, as long as they don't like leave. Like,
but sometimes they don't focus on you as much, you know, like they don't, because they're kind of more independent now.
Yeah.
That's a nice greaser.
Yeah.
Old school.
You know, the marketplace, there was just 2 of them for 50 bucks. I should have went and grabbed them. I mean, those things are like $1,000.
I know. And they last forever.
Yeah.
You never have to put grease in them.
Yeah, I know. I've had this. I just put 5 more gallons in this. I just scooped it in there with a shovel, but I just bought another barrel too. That 988 likes grease.
I can only imagine. Yeah. Does that have an auto greaser?
Yeah, it does.
Yeah, that's cool. never make it too tight. I feel like when you make it too tight, then it's like a rubber band, more likely to snap. You don't even need to probably put the hinges. You can just do the cushion.
Yeah.
He's big. You don't realize, like, because our labs are an English lab. He's an American. You can just see how much bigger he is.
Yeah.
Seatbelt.
Yeah, that was.
Should come.
Hey, look, it's just.
Is there a safety sensor?
Does it feel like it's touched?
No. Might be. Oh, hang on. That bar is. Hang on. The bag of chips.
Yeah.
There we go. The chips were in the way. Okay.
That one's pretty rotted.
Let's see if this will go. Okay, there's one.
Let me clean that out of there.
No
Look at the, hang on.
Yeah, if you want.
Okay. Alright, so we're trying something new here. I want to be able to sell like my used parts, so we're trying this new auction website because eBay wasn't working out that well. So if anyone wants this roller out of that Kubota excavator, here it is. And also, here's an injector out of my gray Dodge. Someone wants something small with my initials on it. Right?